Hey everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. Now, what's currently going on with Bitcoin is consolidating quite a bit here. We're looking at Bitcoin on the hourly chart. Bitcoin is currently priced at around $20,200. And the key thing here is that Bitcoin needs to work its way up and go back and overtake that Fibonacci level that it had fallen under just recently. So that price of $20,500 is a very key one that Bitcoin needs to work its way back up and climb over. Now, there's a few things that are currently at hold here that are important. One is if Bitcoin's going to be able to continue to hold on to its 50-day moving average. And also the other thing is if Bitcoin's able to go up, break this Fibonacci level, and go and overtake that 100-day moving average, which is going to be very important for Bitcoin to do to be able to see a rally going forward here. So if we spend too much time below this Fibonacci level, we really run that risk of Bitcoin falling below its 50 and 20-day moving average because, well, they're both right there together. So let's actually just turn this on over the daily chart real quick and better explain what we're actually seeing here. So you can see the price of Bitcoin right now at this moment, and you can see where our moving averages are. Our 20 and our 50-day moving average is right around the range where the price of Bitcoin is right at this minute, and our 100-day moving average is closer to the 50% Fibonacci level. And let's use the Fibonacci retracement that goes from this wave one that we have here, that goes from the 52-week low with Bitcoin, where Bitcoin's price was under the price of $17,600, and how it went up in this wave one to complete in the middle of August, that went to a price around $25,000. So over a period of 2 months from mid-June into mid-August was the wave one. We retraced that in the wave two, and I'm so far saying that we completed that wave two in the middle of October, and now we're within the wave three, this very important wave for Bitcoin. Nothing is telling us so far that we have not completed the wave two, because the technicals don't say anything otherwise. So that's why I'm saying that we're within this wave three right now, but there's still that possibility that we're still within that wave two. So keep that in mind. But so far, I still think the wave three is what we're currently in now. And I'm saying this due to the fact that we have been seeing these pretty intense price movements with Bitcoin. And not only that, we had it broken out of this falling wedge that we were in. Since we were at from the all-time high with Bitcoin, when Bitcoin had reached its all-time high in November of 2021. So pretty much a whole year it had spent within this falling wedge, not coming out until just recently it had broken through. So it took a year for Bitcoin to be able to succeed to do that. And now we are seeing these much larger price movements after that did happen, because Bitcoin did spend a long time underneath those different moving averages. If I was to turn this back on, and you can see how this 100-day moving average that we're attempting right now, this has been one that Bitcoin had not been able to be on the other side of since back in April of this year. And actually back in March of this year, I'm sorry. So since back in March of this year, Bitcoin had not been on the other side of this. And that was due to that rally that we had in March. But since then, we had seen Bitcoin stay under that 100-day moving average. It attempted that back in August. But now what we're seeing is that Bitcoin's going back to retry that right now. And if it succeeds, then it will have a much better opportunity to see much larger price movements, because that 200-day moving average is sitting at the price around $25,000. And I think that there's a pretty good possibility that we'll be able to see Bitcoin rally up to that for another reason, and that is due to the fact that our bull market support band is aligning up to currently underneath that 100-day moving average. So if Bitcoin wants to start seeing some price movements to the upside and get within that bull market support band, which is currently the bear market resistance band at this moment, if Bitcoin can break through the 100-day moving average, work its way up in that, and then break through that, the bull market support band, currently to be on the other side of that, the price of Bitcoin needs to be at the price of $23,000 to do such. So if we can start getting those price movements, I think that 200-day moving average at that price of $25,000, which is also the same price that we were at when we had gotten to this wave one. So just like we had done then, that price of $25,000 is what we need to accomplish. So that's what we're currently at right now. So that resistance to that 200-day moving average will be a very key one to break through after we pass this 100-day moving average. So as far as everything currently in the works for Bitcoin, make sure that Bitcoin currently stays above that $20,000 price. Keep it above the 20 and 50-day moving average, and then work its way back up, overtake this next Fibonacci level at the price of $20,500, and then hopefully get to the 50% Fibonacci level. That's also at our 100-day moving average. If we can break through that, which is a key area of resistance between the Fibonacci level and the 100-day moving average being right there, that's what we really need to be getting over. So $21,500 key price. Break through that, we could probably see a bit more of a rally with Bitcoin as we do such, and then that would put us right within our bull market support band, and we can work our way up to that price of $25,000. Retrace that wave one, go through that, and our 200-day moving average. So that's everything with Bitcoin right now at the moment. Cross our fingers that we do start to see the price of Bitcoin moving up, stay above that 20 and 50-day moving average, and the crypto market then start showing more and more green. But that's where I'm at until we do fall through that 20 and 50-day moving average. I'm going to continue keeping a bullish stance with Bitcoin until we see that price fall. So hoping that we don't see that happen. So anyways, with that being said, I'll keep you guys updated with Bitcoin every single day, as well as Ethereum and many other altcoins. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.